Hello dear friends and welcome to our channel. In this video, I will tell you and also show you how you can disable safe search on YouTube. Don't forget friends, subscribe to the channel, be sure to put likes, and also please write your comments after watching this video. Well friends, let's get to our topic today. And first of all friends, please open the YouTube app on your iPhone or Android device. Next you will need to go to the bottom right to the section then tap the top gear. Now you will need to click on the General section. And here you can find an option called Restricted Mode. If it is active for you, there is a button in front of this mode like I have now in blue color. Just click on this button to make it gray. This will mean that you friends have disabled safe search on YouTube. This way friends, you can quickly and easily disable safe search in YouTube application. Hope the video was helpful to you. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Take care.